I've got another superpower reveal today, and it's all about how we can manage our trades just like we manage our days out shopping. Now, I just came back from a day at the mall with my friends Kwame, Jazzy, and her little brother Jamie, and it actually turned into the perfect real-life lesson on something called stop loss. Now, here on Carbon Futures Trading, I'm challenging myself to bring you guys content that makes learning to trade super easy to grasp. Now, I'm on a mission, and I truly hope it helps. So if you could, hit subscribe so the algorithm can continue to bless you with great content that's meant to help you achieve financial freedom. I'd really appreciate it. With all that said, let's jump right into it. So we were walking past the sports store at the mall and we were talking about basketball. So attempting to explain stop loss to Kwame, I said, imagine you're playing defense, right? And there's a line that you just can't cross without getting penalized. That's like using a stop loss in trading. It's this handy tool that calls a timeout on your trade before you lose more than you planned. Better yet, it's exactly like having a coach who knows just when to pull you out of the game. That's actually the perfect analogy. You could be a player that's hurt, or let's say you need some time to cool off. The coach needs to know exactly when to pull you out, because if he or she doesn't, you could blow the whole damn game, right? In trading, you could lose all your money, right? I feel so good about that explanation. Meet me down in the comments and let me know if that one helped. Let me know if you've ever had to stop something right in its tracks to avoid a bigger mess, because that, honey, is stop loss for you in the markets. You know, Kwame really saw the light on that one. He's such a sneakerhead. He's got like an entire room full of them displayed on the walls. He's running out of room, honestly. I think he needs a stop loss on his sneaker collection. And then there's my girl, Jazzy, right? Now, she's a theater dancer and producer. Now, as we were checking out some music gear, we were talking about how performances always have stand-ins and backup plans and spare mics and strings. And I related that to how a stop loss acts as your financial backup plan. It automatically steps in to cut your losses before a small dip turns into a major dive, ensuring your budget stays intact, just like Jazzy shows. In trading, we have a term that we often use. We say, you live to trade another day. Right? A stop loss helps to ensure that you're able to do just that. And as a beginner trader, you should always use a stop loss. I mean, it's all about keeping the show going, right? Well, Jazzy totally got it. It wasn't hard for her to grasp at all. But how about you? Have you ever had a moment where a simple precaution saved the entire day? Go down below and let me know, will you? Now let me get to Jamie. Jamie, that kid is so sharp. So he was eyeing a new video game. And I just explained how stop loss is like setting an automatic save point to prevent losing all your progress if things go south on a video game. It basically keeps your investment safe, just like his game progress. You know, the funny thing is he got that really quickly. Jamie was all over that idea. He even said that he wished his last game had an autosave before he lost to a boss battle. I don't know what that is, but it clicked for him, right? The stop loss concept also can apply to saving Jamie's allowance in a piggy bank, right? Because most piggy banks have a feature that won't allow too many coins to come out. And most piggy banks have to be broken in order to get all the money out. That's the same concept as a stop loss. Isn't it dope how these everyday things mirror bigger concepts? I mean, just hanging out the mall turned into an unexpected masterclass on stop loss. It's funny how a day of casual shopping can open up such, essential insights into trading. But, remember, just like a careful day out with friends, a little planning and a safety net can make all the difference. Use your stop loss, right? I really like that basketball analogy. I'm kind of proud of that one. Hey, basketball fans, can you think of any moments where the coach brilliantly pulled a player out of the game just in the nick of time? See what I did there? Let's have a smoothie together in the comments about it. That is so much fun. If you love these analogies or gotten any value today and want more insights on making trading as fun as a day out on the court, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Maybe share your own stop loss moments both in and out of trading. Until our next adventure, until financial freedom, keep those trades smart and your spirits high. Peace, Carbon family.